Hello and welcome to our channel, Shahi Cooking. Today we will be making spicy spaghetti and meat sauce. There are many variations to this recipe and we hope you enjoy ours. Let's get started. The first ingredient you'll need is ground beef. What we have here is 2 pounds. Next, you will need 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, or any chili powder you prefer, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Next, you will need 1 large onion, and 1 16-ounce box of spaghetti. The brand we use here is listed below. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. You will also need 45 ounces of any pasta sauce you prefer. The brand we use is listed in the descriptions below. You will start off by adding 3 tablespoons of cooking oil to the pan, and then adding your onions. You will saute the onions for about 3 to 5 minutes until they've softened, and then you'll add your ground beef to the pan. Mix this well until it's browned a little bit. Give it a good stir until the ground beef has browned nicely. At that point, you will add your ginger garlic paste. Mix this very well, and then you will add your spices. What we have here is red chili powder, Italian seasoning, salt, and ground black pepper. You will cook the ground beef for a good 5 to 10 minutes until it's nicely browned and well cooked, like so. At this point, you will add your pasta sauce, and mix until it blends nicely. You will stir this for about a minute or so, and then you're going to let it cook until it comes to a roar, like so. At this point, you're going to cover it and let it simmer on completely low heat for at least an hour. The longer you simmer it, the better. This is what it looks like after an hour of simmering. At this point, you will add the spaghetti to the sauce and mix it really well. After giving it a good stir, we're going to add the cheese and mix it well until it's nicely melted. You want to still cook this for another 5 to 10 minutes, just so everything is nicely warmed up, like so. And at this point, your spaghetti is ready to serve. We hope you enjoyed our recipe. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Your support is much appreciated and much needed. We hope you tune in for the future recipes to come. Thank you. Bye.